Hi there, Maureen from Color Me Positive PLR, and I'm just going to give you a short tutorial on how to use these assets from the Dress Up Dolls coloring book kit that I have for subscribers only. It's our first subscriber only special for 2023. I did want to put this one out for you guys because you're going to be able to make tons of different characters, boys and girls, and dress them up in different things. You have some accessories like hats and glasses and shoes and clothes. And it's pretty easy to do. You'll be able to do it in any graphics program really, but PowerPoint is probably the easiest one to use. So here you're going to get in your downloads, right? You have characters set A, all color characters, set A, all color accessories, set B, and set C. And these things here are the designs as they usually come, right? So you have character one with the accessories, which you can use on all these other characters, but they're all in different folders, and I find that to be a real pain when I want to do something more quickly. This way, you have to go through each and every character, and so what I did is I took all those and put them all color accessories that you get, okay, for all the characters in one folder, as well as all the color characters for set A, and same thing for set B. So they're all in one folder, makes it a little bit easier to kind of pick and choose what you want when you can see them all at once, right? Okay, so I hope that helps actually, because I have a few packs like where you can add different things, make up different characters, but it takes so long going back and forth to the different things. Okay, so let's put here set A, uh, and what? Let's go back here. So we have all color accessories here, all color characters. So I'm just going to right click on this and open that in a new tab. So I have all the set A color accessories here. And then up here, I'm going to open the characters themselves. Excuse me. So you'll see the character, the full character as it's dressed, okay, normally. And then you have just the doll. And you can pick and choose whatever you like. I'm just going to pick her. I'm going to hold her down and click on her, hold her down, and bring her into PowerPoint. Then I'm going to just drop her. Now, I'm not going to want her this big, okay, in the scene I'm creating, but I'm not going to size her down until I've got her completely dressed, all right? So I'm going to go back, come over here to all color accessories, and then pick and choose what I want to put on her. So I think I'm just going to put the dress on her. I'm going to drag that in to PowerPoint and drop it. Okay, so if you leave her the same size before you have her all dressed, if you don't, make her smaller, everything will fit exactly where it's supposed to go. All right, and let's see, how about a pair of glasses? These are cute. Let's drag that in, drop it. There you go. Maybe a hat. Let's pick this hat, drag it into PowerPoint, drop it. There we go. And a pair of shoes. Let's see. What kind of shoes? These are cute. You go. All right, so she's done. Now what you want to do, you go over to picture format and select selection pane. And then you're going to hold control down and click on each of these, right? Then you're going to come back up. Let's see, where's my grouping? Go to Home, Arrange, Group, And now you can resize her. Just hold down your shift key and resize her to however you like. Okay? So that's one character. Let's do it again. Let's get, and let's go back to, let's go to set B characters. And I like the guy with the green hair. Okay, drag him in. And again, leave him exactly where he goes when you drop him, and then dress him up. Okay, so let's go to set B, all color accessories, and let's drag that hat in for him. All right, there we go. And let's get some shoes. These are a little bit small, eh? There we go. They're cute. Drop it in. Now we need a, let's do a blue shirt. Drop it in. And some pants. Just take those. And there we have it. Do I want glasses on him? Why not? Let's put some glasses on him. Art glasses, yeah. And there we have it. Now you're going to come back over to your selection pane, hold the control key down and click on each of those layers. And then you're going to want to go over to Home, Arrange, Group. Okay? Then I'm going to hold down my Shift key and make him the same size as her. A bit smaller, how about a little bigger? Okay. Now you have backpacks. Okay, you have backpacks in here, as well as animals, little animals, and those you can use with set A, set B, or set C. Okay, they're not dependent on the actual characters, so you can go to any of them and choose those accessories. Okay, so I could just drag in. Now this is going to be right up here. You're going to hold down your shift key and make it smaller. And you can put it beside him. And if you want, send that to back, okay? Because you're going to want to pick him, right? Like he's grouped, so you want to move him. And if you ever have a problem picking things up because it's over or whatever, like here, it's not, it might choose the, no, see, that's choosing the glasses. So you might want to come over to your selection pane, right? And you'll know which one it is. Okay. So just click on that and then you'll be able to move it with no problem. Okay. And then we want an animal beside her. Let's pick this cute cat. And again, it's going to be all the way up here. So hold your shift key, make it smaller or bigger, whatever, depends what you want. There we go. And now you have some cool characters that you can play with. I use the colored ones because it's just easier to see when you're doing video. You do the exact same thing with the line art, right? And then you can choose any background you want to put in there and then work with that. So let's just drag that in, pull it over, and you're going to want to put that, send that to the back, okay? And then you can just place them. So the cat's here. We want her. Oh, the butt. Okay, there. And then let's move the cat. Move him over here. And I actually don't need the backpack in there, so I'm just going to delete it. I might make this guy a little bit smaller. Make her a little bit smaller. Oh, that's the cat. There you go. And there you have it. So you can use any backgrounds you already have, and any kids that you have. These will play well with them, and you'll be able to make unique and different characters whenever you want. So I hope you enjoy this pack.